What's up, cavemen?
Welcome back to
The Fork!
Okay, are you serious right now?
That's my bad.
Yeah, it is your bad. Anyways, I'm Elliot Annis.
And I'm Kirby Turpin.
And you're watching The Fork. What's up, cavemen? Hope you're doing well.
Hey, fun fact, today's National Cheese Curd Day.
Heck yeah, I love cheese curds.
So fun fact, I've actually never had cheese curds in my life before, so we got these.
That's wild that you've never had cheese curds before. Whoever came up with the idea of fried cheese curds, I salute you.
I mean, the idea isn't really that complicated.
Still though, they're beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, do you know what's been up with Rocky recently?
I don't know. Let's go see. Dang, these curds are good.
My name is Jace Worthington. I'm a sophomore, and I'm on a sophomore cabinet for student council, so. I think like probably doing competitions between like the classes, you know, sophomores, juniors, seniors, getting them competing, but get a lot of people involved, and I think it'd be really cool. I just wish people would like understand we put a lot of hours into it and like making a script, and when some people hop in or like they don't follow the rules in competitions, it might set off the script and the timing a lot, so.
Okay, honestly, I feel like Rocky isn't the best person to have an interview with.
Yeah, student council seemed to understand him pretty well though.
Yeah, how did they do that?
I'm actually not sure at all. We're gonna jump right back into student council though.
We're gonna take a look at how they set up assemblies. Let's go.
What's up, cavemen? Today we're gonna be with StuCo, finding out how you make an assembly happen. What's the first step in setting up an assembly?
Probably getting all of our equipment together. That's it.
What's the second step in setting up an assembly?
Getting everyone to show up.
Are you excited for the assembly? Are you going to the assembly?
Yeah.
Are you going to participate? What's the third step in setting up an assembly?
Probably planning the hype entrance for sure.
Fourth step in setting up an assembly?
Telling everyone what the theme for the assembly is.
Half court. Get over here! Helping. What's the fifth and final step in setting up an assembly?
A practice run through.
And now you know how to set up an assembly. Thanks for watching. I know my shirt changed a few times.
Okay, it's actually insane how much stuff student council has to do to prepare for assemblies.
I know, I could never.
I wonder what Paisley and Samantha thought of it.
Let's check it out.
Hey guys, it's Samantha.
And Paisley.
And today we're reviewing the homecoming assembly.
Let's get into it.
Musical chairs game was crazy.
Personally, I thought the dude in the black shirt won. What do you think?
I think so too.
All right, now let's hand it over to student council for their theme argument.
What's up, cavemen? We're so excited to announce next year's dance theme. It's
Ask Carly's mom.
It's favorite theme.
It's Ask
No, Taylor Swift part 2.
Ask Carly's mom.
That dance was so bad. Pitbull.
It's Ask Carly's mom on a date.
My mom? Ugh.
Oh.
So what did they even decide on for the theme?
I have no idea. How about we open some mail?
I'm down.
Thank you. Dear Elliot and Kirby, I found out that there are some tunnels under the school. Do you think you could show us what they look like?
Sure, but before we do, make sure to sub to Cave Creative, follow us on Instagram. We're gonna go check out the tunnels.
Yep. Okay guys, we've been under here for quite some time now.
Honestly, the tunnels are pretty sick. Not too much happening.
Yeah, I don't really know how to get out though. We're kind of,
Rusty pipes are kind of concerning. I'm not even sure what that's for. Pretty cool place, honestly. And oh, yo, Rocky, what's up, bro? How's it going?